Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the Fullstack Developer series. And this video we will create a ReactJs project. Okay. So you can open the terminal. And before we install the create React app command, we please check your node on your system, okay, by using node-v to check if it shows a version of the node here. That means the node is available on your system. If not, please install the node on your system, okay. And then use the command npm install .g. That G mean the option global, and then create React app. So this will create the command create React app command. Okay, after we have the command to create a project, you need to use the cd command to change the location of your change the location to your favorite location to create the project folder. For me, I am working on the front-end folder inside my you can see the full path here. Alright, now we create a project using the create React app command. Then the name of the project, I will put the name HelloWorld React. Okay, enter. Wait a moment. You can skip this process on the video to see at the end. I'm waiting because I want you to see the process in the whole time, so you can you can understand how long to you can know how long to create a project. Okay. All right. I think wow. Okay, after we finish create the project, and you can see the suggestion command here, npm start for starting the development server, npm run build to bundle the app into static files for production. Okay, and that means when you want to deploy your project must be in HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, so you can deploy it on like static files. And npm test also start the test runner in case you write some test case, and npm run eject. Okay, so now we can to run the project, use the npm start. Oh, sorry. You need to go into the project. You see here the HelloWorld React were created here, and you need to go into the folder HelloWorld React and run the npm start. Allow access on Windows. Alright. The server is starting. Okay. So you can see when after we run the start command, we have the local here to access the page of the project. We use this link. And on your network, in case you want your PC gonna be a server online, so you can use this ID and the port to access from outside. Okay, but you need to disable your firewall on your computer and your modem, your Wi-Fi, so the connection from outside is able to connect into your server. If you don't do that, it cannot, because the firewall. Okay, so after we successfully go to this URL and see this is the page of the project first. Okay, now we can change a little bit for the first page. Open the project. Okay, just dragging it into the Visual Code here, or you can open it from Visual Code, and you go to the source, open the app.js, and in here we can change the code. Instead of return many things, we will remove and return just an H1 hello J. Okay, and let's open the localhost again and refresh. We need to refresh the project by press the R, the R letter on your keyboard to refresh. Okay, so now you see we have a page with the text HelloJ here. Okay, I think that's it for this video, and if you have any trouble, please comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.